afternoon. My name is Temingo Sivilagati, the Regional Manager for Regional Business School Swaziland. I would like to invite you to visit our stand at the Mavuso Trade Center. We are based on hall number 2, where you will get more information about our programs, which focus mainly on management, leadership and entrepreneurship. What we're doing at the trade fair is giving people more information and about our programs and as well as our intake, to say when can you register. Is it the right time now to decide about the next year, or you can start now? For more information, you can also email swazi@regent.ac.za or call the office at 2505-6633 or 2505-5890. Thank you.